Here we are looking at a east-west College Avenue 2711, a 2026 model. Here, the 2026 Florida RV Supershow. And see, here's the graphics here, backing up here. This is a Class C model here. And you can see right here, it's a black and white scheme. Marie's actually sitting in the passenger seat right now, or the driver's seat. We can look at the bays here really quick. Some small bays here, and a larger bay in the back, which is passing through to the other side. Now, really quick, we can go around here. It's got a little bumper back here, rear access to the storage compartment there. And here is your electrical hookup, your cable satellite, your black tank flush, your fresh water connection, and here is another connection here. Here is your fuel fill, your Suburban propane furnace here, and here is your hot water heater, a Fedati it looks like. There's your access to your propane here, and there's a couple of small bays right here, there, and see if we get this thing open. Here we go, and here is your inverter generator. And right now let's go inside and see what this unit is like. All right, we're stepping into College Avenue here.
It's been a long time since I've been in college.
Yeah, I know, right?
But we won't say how many years, but let's just say a lot of years.
Okay.
Yeah, actually,
Let's not date ourselves.
Yeah, I was just going to. Thanks for stopping me. Okay, this is a good model for someone wanting to start out camping. It's a good, solid, basic model. It does have a bed here on the loft. The one thing I don't like is the TV's up here, and you can turn it to against the wall so you can watch it up here.
Right.
But if you leave it out here at night and the people out here in the dining room or living room are using it, it could be a little dangerous. I think it's kind of.
But it swivels there and it locks in place.
Yeah, but you don't want to hit your feet would hit it, you know.
There.
So anyway, down here in the cab, it's pretty basic, nothing overly fancy, but like I said, a good basic model. Couple trays up top, your mirror. You do have a cruise control, switch your mirrors around. It's an analog display. Don't have the keys at the moment. Obviously a backup camera. Bunch of trays here, a little cubby here.
Well, I'd say though a tall person would have probably more time. I didn't even want to try sitting there because
that's why I sat here.
The leg room was very, very tight for someone who's 6 foot 6,
right.
Or someone who's even over 6 foot, I think.
Yeah.
I imagine for you it's kind of tight.
Now up in the main cabin, you got plenty of room.
Yeah, I have plenty of room, as you see here. I can stand. I probably have about, I don't know,
4 or 5 inches.
4 or 5 inches.
Yeah, we've got a nice dinette set here, two-tone. It does make into a bed. There is a drawer on each side for extra storage. Okay. Oh, and look at here. Woohoo, extra wires. Ooh, and a sprinkler. Okay, on this side, we have a pull-out bed. And
a J sofa?
Yeah, a J sofa, thank you. And so that pulls out. And that's pretty much about it. So you got your nice little living room, TV's right here.
Well, you're forgetting about the cabinets.
Cabinets? You want to talk about cabinets? It's a little early, but okay. We do have some good cabinets. One of the things, again, that I often suggest is that you put a couple shelves in here or some of the nice wire racks that they have. And I'm going to put a link down below, which will give you extra shelf space up there, which is be really handy. And you got the same thing over here. You've got 4 cabinets. There are some controls over there in the far right where Ben's at, right behind where the camera is. There you go. So some nice storage space there. Moving down, you go into the kitchen area.
Well, here is just the business end of things, showing your light switches and your generator hours, etc. And we have, she said, the kitchen right here. There is a flip up.
Oh yeah,
flip up counter here to
right. And then we got the nice little stainless steel sink.
Well, we can't really do the full thing here because the sink knob is in the way, but
all you have to do is move it.
But
yeah.
There you go, see?
Okay, then you do have some more storage here. This one does have a fixed shelf. This one don't. And again, down below, I'm going to list the white wire shelf so you can put it there. I'm also going to put a really interesting gadget I found. It's foam, and you can put your coffee cups in it. It's cut out for it already, so they don't rattle around in there. So you'll see that later. Gas stove, your window day and night shades, which my fingernails broke yesterday, and I can't open it at the moment. So I think
Well,
most
basically,
of
you
it was
see
right.
your hand here.
There you go. Thank you.
Go. See, this opens
Yeah.
out like that.
Yeah, I ripped my finger, so it hurts. Refrigerator, stove.
Refrigerator stove, you said?
Refrigerator, freezer.
Okay. She has only had one cup of coffee today, folks.
It's
and
early.
She's more alert when she has 2 cups of coffee. So we're gonna be full of little glitches like that today.
Yeah, that's what Ben gets for getting me up at 5 o'clock. Moving on down, you got a nice little pantry here.
What do you actually see? We actually have a cabinet here in the kitchen, and we have 2 drawers like that.
Man, I'm just missing everything. I gotta sit here and have more coffee.
By the way, we
did those.
we did those already. Never mind, I'm
See?
messing up.
All right, so again, you have some nice storage here and here. You could add some more shelves. That'd be definitely much more usable. Look at, you got 3 nice drawers here, plenty of room. You do have the bathroom sink, which is very teeny, but it works. And there's your medicine cabinet. There is no hand towel here, so I would definitely suggest a hand road tack beneath the sink.
And here we have the shower. Hop in the shower, dear.
Yeah, it's a small shower.
Small shower. There's some towel hooks on the wall. And it may seem like we're rushing, but we're low on battery power, so we're trying to finish this video before it gets cut off.
I was wondering why you were rushing me. Okay.
Yes.
All right, now I
There's
know.
a shower there. Oh, beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
And that's it. There's no,
Oh,
other than the towel hooks and the pull-out thing, that's it.
red light means low battery. Sorry, folks. We're just trying to communicate as we film this.
Okay, there is no storage under these beds, interesting enough. So this is a big, wide bed.
Yeah.
And yep, they're screwed shut. And so you do have a bunch of big cabinets back here. But again, I would build shelves in them or put some storage totes in there. And we'll put some links of some ideas that we have for things that you might want to do.
All the way back there.
Yeah, so a lot of storage space, but it could be made more usable.
Yeah, certainly.
That's screwed shut, honey.
Yeah, so screwed shut there. Obviously, this becomes one big bed as this is put down in this position. So, that being said,
we are done with our college days. So we thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And don't forget
to open the doors to adventure
and start all your journeys with
the RVkeys. And thank you for your participation.